Bakit? Oo, may pasok tayo bukas. Oo, mag-overtime ako. Bakit? Anyari? Ay, ayaw mo? Okay, wait lang kasi nagluluto ako eh. Wait lang. O, tapos, mag-absent ka. Tapos, wait lang. Ha? Anyari? Ay, wait lang. Hala, patay. Patay, wait lang. Nalagay ko yung yung asukal. Hindi asin yung nalagay ko sa niluto ko. Wait lang, patay talaga ako nito mamaya. Wait lang. Bye-bye, tawagan kita. Wait lang. Bing!
Yeah?
Come! You know how to cook this, right? You come and put on the salt, okay?
Okay, let me do that.
Okay. Check it, okay? Put on the salt. I'm going. Is it okay now? Taste it.
No.
What did you put? Let me try.
Oh, he tried it.
Sorry? What sorry? Babe, what did you do to the food? It's so salty and it's so sweet. What happened?
It is love.
Why? I told you to check.
Sorry, ba? Sorry, ba?
Hi.